Take a ride in the 2012 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, tachometer, remote window operation, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.